yung momentum ng Perpetual.
So set number 3. Buhay pa ang bola. Nicole Ong thought she had it already, but it's still alive. Dug up. Ong going to Garcia. Well read. Rica Blanca. Almiñana. Rally continues. Ong. Single coverage by Enrico. Rica Blanca. Both teams showing great effort on the floor. It is still going. Free ball para sa Lady Altas. Ariola. Minor. Gakula digging it, but Mapua commits the error.
The most frustrating part para sa Mapua University is yung kanilang unforced errors. Sumasabay naman sila Martin, pero hindi nila may angat yung team because of their errors.
Kavika. Going to Rica Blanca. Inangat ni Ariola. This is Almiñana. Gem tried.
Almiñana.
But it was gone anyway, so Perpetual gets their second point.
And kung meron nakaka-high moral dito sa part naman ng Perpetual is yung commitment ng lahat ng players na nagsastart sa defense, sa setting, sa attacks.
Battle at the net won by Almiñana, who now has
Sai Almiñana.
16 points in the match.
Wow.
This is a great bounce-back performance for Sai Almiñana, who was a little bit silent, at least for her standards, against San Sebastian, because she only had 10 points in that game. Pero bumawi ang Mapua. What's gonna be the key now for Mapua, John Vic? Ano yung kailangan nilang ma-establish dito?
Well, i-ano lang nila, relax. Relax lang dahil grabe na yung pressure. Ako, wala ako dun sa court, pero ramdam na ramdam ko yung pressure na meron sila right now. The reason why nagiging tight, hindi nila mailabas yung laro nila.
Off the hand, Sai Almiñana.
4-1 lead para dito sa Perpetual. Sai Almiñana yet again.
Stepping up on the serving deck, Gem Pinoy.
Another point para kay Almiñana and sa Perpetual.
Kavika with a one-handed set. Again, floor defense of Perpetual,
Into the net.
keeping it alive, but this time they were unable to send it across.
Pero yung mga ganong klaseng unforced error, hindi masyadong masakit para sa Perpetual. Kasi kung makikita mo, Martin, from first set, second set, and right now, third set, yung commitment ng mga players dun sa gusto nilang gawin. Ramdam mo.
Almiñana, wow! A combination
Sai Almiñana.
on the far side of the net.
This is actually the first time na nagkaroon ng combination itong si Ariola dito sa may 4. And again, ang puntos ay nanggaling kay Almiñana.
May patong na back quick. Ano?
Usually yan, A-quick tapos sa likod ng setter ibibigay yung play. The usual kasi A-quick, papatong doon sa nung quicker. But this time around, A-quick sa likod umikot yung pumatong ng player.
So, sinasabi lang sa atin ni Ariola, si Rica Blanca, using a little bit of magic with this service ace.
Mga 25 na gano'n, Martin. Mga 25 na gano'n.
Kailangan, ano?
Yeah.
Pinuwenas ng konti doon si Rica Blanca sa net. Joust. Another joust. Back on the side of Mapua. Liabres will score. 5 apiece.
Yep. I think nung second set natin medyo nawala nitong si Liabres. And siya yung hinahanap natin yung third set.
Medyo tahimik nung second set si Liabres after exploding for 7 points in the first. Pero this is how Perpetual operates. Every time they need a point, Ariola immediately goes to their middle, who was uncontested in that attempt.
Ayan yung nakakatakot sa Perpetual dahil hindi nila hinahayaang tumaas yung moral nitong Mapua.
Eksakto. Ariola. Wow! 1-2. And the placement for Fifi Ariola. Look at this.
At saka grabe siyang mag-change ng laro.
Ah.
Itong even yung spiker niya at even yung mga blockers nitong Mapua.
At nagtutuloy-tuloy para sa Perpetual Lady Altas. Now ahead 8-5. Pagbalik po natin, we'll hear again from Aaron D.
Let's get back to the action here in the San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Martin and John Vic got a chance to speak to the team captain of the Mapua Lady Cardinals, Nicole Ong, and asked her kung paano ba kahirap maging team captain for her squad. She actually corrected me and told me hindi siya mahirap. In fact, everyone fulfills their roles on their team, and instead na parang mga babies yung kasama niya, para silang mga co-parents yung teammates niya. And I even went in to listen on to Ong give some advice to her teammates, and ika nga niya to take things slow. Kung magkamali ka, hindi masisira ang mundo mo. Pag natalo tayo sa isang set, hindi naman yan na magde-define sa atin. Now, throughout her years, Nicole Ong has seen Mapua and Perpetual go head-to-head with intensity. And the big question, can the Lady Cardinals make a big comeback today? Gentlemen?
We'll see, Aaron, but that's a great story on Nicole Ong. And a good asset for the team as well to have multiple parent figures.
Tama.
Diba, John Vic?
And kung ako tatanungin, first question, mahirap ba maging
Off the
captain?
block, Shy
Well,
Umiboy.
the term captain and being a leader, mahirap talaga. Pero dahil sa sinabi ni Ong, tama din naman na ang pagiging captain para dito sa team ay hindi nagiging mahirap dahil meron kang, kumbaga, kino-considered as family. Na hindi mo sila kailangan utusan, kumbaga yun yung nagkukusa. And for a captain like her,
Mapua.
malaking bagay ito para sa kupunan ng Mapua.
Yeah, because as team captain, siya yung extension ng coach sa court. And
Now on the
she also
serving deck,
has
Liandra
a
Yabon.
difficult task of keeping her team together, especially in the difficult moments na crucial sa volleyball.
And even personal matters.
Yan.
Yan yung mga players kasi minsan hindi nila masabi sa coaches nila kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. Kaya dito sa team captain, ito yung pinaka-easiest access nila para mailabas yung mga problemang dinadala nila sa buhay.
That's coming from a former national team captain, John Vic de Guzman. Meantime, there's a push, and this is an extended rally we are watching. Whoo! Yun nga lang,
Jeremy Palacio.
nahirapang kunin dun
Oo.
sa dig. Yung atake na yun ni Palacio.
Yep.
So both teams, great effort, but this tip.
Yeah. Minsan kasi Martin, gaya ng sabi ko, ang dami ng nararamdaman ng mga players natin, exhausting na, aral, pagod, iniisip mo pa yung competition.
Palacio scores an
Kaya
ace.
paminsan-minsan kapag nag-error talagang minsan simpleng bola lang, nagko-commit ka pa ng error.
Ito si Palacio. 8 points today. Even the middle blockers again are productive for Perpetual. 4 ang kanilang abante dito. And this is the first time in a set dito sa laban natin na ganto kalaki ang abante ng isang team ng ganto rin kaaga.
Tama.
But Nicole Ong answers with a quick attack. That was a
Meron silang
One
Martin.
pass.
Meron
Yeah.
naman silang ilalabas. Hindi lang nila mailabas dito sa game na to.
8-11. Si Gavica manggagaling na sa likod. Ariola. sends it over, and Fifi Ariola,
For the Lady Altas.
she has had the golden
Yep.
touch today.
Ibang klase yung decision making ni Ariola when it comes to distribution and
Kahit yung mga 1-2 plays niya,
yeah,
no?
oo.
Oh, and now,
Wow.
a service ace
An ace
for
Ariola.
Perpetual setter Fifi Ariola.
Mapua calls for a ceasefire.
Biggest lead of the game for Perpetual, 13-8.
Pupunta yung bola kung matras na kinuha nito. Ngayon naman, si Don tinarget si Preyan. Umatras naman to. Ito naman ang kumuha. Ang kuha ng receive, slide, tataas ba ng maayos yun? Eh, nanggagaling dito yung bola. Tagal ng travel ng bola. Di ba pwedeng harangan nyo na agad? Tsaka nyo receive ng maayos. Ngayon, kung itatapon nyo, wala lang yun. Kunwari lang yung ginagawa nyo. Hindi nyo talaga kukunin yung bola doon.
Basta tayo, te. Isa-isa.
Coach Aing Esteban calling another timeout here, trying to salvage.
Substitution for Mapua University.
Meanwhile, para sa koponan ng Perpetual, gaya na sinasabi ko kanina, iba yung commitment nila sa responsibility yung binibigay ng coach. But dito naman sa Mapua, committed naman sila. It's just that hindi lang sila, hindi lang nagtatranslate yung communication nila dun sa ginagawa nila.
Yeah. Nadine Berces in the game now for the Lady Cardinals. We'll see how she can impact the floor. Tulak mula kay Almiñana. Reca Blanca, tracked down by Omipon. Menor with the off speed. And Gemalyn Menor scores again.
Alam mo, ang sarap panoorin. Ang sarap panoorin at tignan ng ginagalaw ng Perpetual. Ang daming options nitong Mapua na attackers, but kahit napakadami nilang options, nandun pa rin yung defense pattern nitong Perpetual.
That's right. Again, making the effort to keep the ball alive. Oh!
Blocks are
An
in for
emphatic
Lady
block
Altas.
for Charis Enrico. And a 4-0 run for the Perpetual Lady Altas. Trying to make quick work
Fifi Ariola.
here in the third set. Ball is popped up high. Rica Blanca. Coverage by Omipon. Drop. Garcia
Kaya,
with a point.
Fran Garcia forces a ball touch.
kaya umamin naman si Enrico na merong check. Pero kanina kasi sinasabi ni Almeñana na walang check sa kanya. Wala naman sa kanya talaga
Sa
check.
kanya wala. Kay
Oo.
Enrico.
To serve,
Yun yung
Fran
dinaanan
Garcia.
nito ni Garcia. This is Berces on your screens. Used sparingly today. Again, Perpetua. Look at the effort. And it leads to a point.
The side of Mapua.
Yep.
So 16-9 for Perpetua. They are cruising here in the third. Back to the coverage. It is a commanding lead in the third set for the Perpetual Lady Altas, looking to stay unblemished in the competition. They're 3-0 right now. Trying to go 4-0 and send Mapua to their second loss of the season. Jody Lozano on your screens, leading the floor defense of Perpetual today. And that's one of the keys
Now 16,
for
serving nine.
Mapua in today's ball game dahil kahit anong establish ng attackers, as we see Nicole Ong
Slide.
score on that
Pull
quick, lagi nakakapag-adjust itong floor defense ng Mapua Cardinals. Halimbawa, hindi man sa net. Diba? Dumaan yun, nagkaroon ng deflection. The floor defenders are always ready.
Totoo.
Combination. And that's good. She catches the line at the back.
And as we can see, itong floor defense ng Perpetual, talagang mararamdaman mong aral na aral nila yung bawat atake. Nitong Mapua, even sa middle blockers, opposite, and open hitters, basang-basa nila kung saan pupunta itong mga atake.
Shot Enrico to serve.
Kaya marami silang puntos din dito na muntikan ng puntos ng Mapua, pero naitatawid pa nila. Tapos of course, Perpetual.
Yeah. Sila pa'y nakakaroon ng chance maka-counter attack. And dito sa nangyayari, dahil napaka-consistent nila, ang ganda ng floor defense nila, napupush tuloy itong mga spikers sa Mapua na mag-error.
That's right. Perses.
No
Door
entry.
is shut down by Perpetual. And now it is a 19-10 lead for the Lady Autas. Everything going Perpetual's way. Oh, overpass. Rica Blanca. Almeñana off the run. Uy, dikit sa net. Joust. Gakula. Here comes Perpetual. They go to Palacio, who barely gets to the ball. And it's sent across. Severely broken plays for both teams, but Palacio ends it with an exclamation point.
Grabe itong Perpetual. And grabe din yung diskarte nitong si Ariola.
She has been the heart of this Perpetual team.
And basang-basa niya yung mga blockers ng Perpetual.
Right.
Kung meron bang sasabay sa quicker o wala.
Totoo. It's been her playmaking that really made the biggest difference dito sa laban natin.
And Martin, sa isang team, kapag magaling ang setter, believe me, ang hirap talunin ng isang team.
That's right. At saka, ang dami ring play na pinapakawalan. Look at that. Almeñana just unable to send it across. This is Omipon. It bounced off the net. And it's good.
Shine, Umipon.
So now it's compounding for Perpetual.
Substitution for the Lady Autas.
Gaa.
7 out, number 18, Colette Gaa in.
Is this
Number
Flores
12
coming
out,
in?
Number 5, Pao Reyes in.
And then Reyes pala. Pauline Reyes coming in.
Substitution for Mapua.
Yep.
Number 4
So
out,
backup
number
setter
2,
Nicole Gaa
Tata
and
Tayanan in.
Pauline Reyes.
And serving for
Double
the Lady
sub.
Autas, Colette
First time
Gaa.
mag-double sub ni Coach Sandy sa laban. Good serve. Esteban,
Outside.
too strong. Things continue to fall apart for Mapua.
10 points advantage para sa kupunan ng Perpetual. Kaya meron na challenge dito si Coach Aying.
We'll see. Kanina papasok na si Bustamante para sa Perpetual. Papalitan na si Shai Omipon. So the bench players will have a chance to get some meaningful minutes para sa Perpetual to end this match.
And experience para dito sa mga second stringers ng Perpetual. Alam mo, yan ang maganda dun sa team. Kapag talagang yung first six nila, grabe yung focus and commitment. Nabibigyan ngayon ng chance itong mga nasa bench na makapaglaro at maka-experience ng tournament.
Yeah. And if you have a deep run in a competition, kakailanganin mo yan. That's gonna be crucial for you down the road. Dahil hindi mo alam kung sino yung bubunutin mo. At pag binunot mo sila, ready sila.
Yeah.
Dahil may experience sila, may game experience sila
Totoo.
nung elimination. So, was there a check? Wala. Mataas.
Upon review, there is
Kala ko nga i-challenge nila ball in, ball out pa.
Pwede.
Kasi medyo madikit doon yung yung bola sa may end line.
for the Realdas, number 4 out,
So,
number 11.
Perpetual doubling up
Bustamante.
on Mapua here in the third. 22-11.
Still at the serving deck.
Yung ating talaan.
22-11.
Bereses with the pickup. Nadindin ang nag-spike doon. Bustamante, kakapasok
Wow.
lang. Pumuntos agad.
Bustamante.
Ngayon, nakakatawa. Inapiran pa ni Coach Sandy. Wow.
Makakabunot lang niya kay Bustamante. Binigyan agad siya ng puntos.
Still 23, serving 11. Colette Gala to serve.
23-11. A commanding lead for Perpetual. After 2 close sets, they have blown this set wide open. Again, Perpetual finds a way to send it across. Gaa, Bustamante!
Off the hands comes Bustamante.
You can actually feel the happiness para sa kupunan ng Perpetual. Na nakikita nila yung mga teammates nila na nagkakaroon ng chance and opportunity na maipakita yung talent nila dito sa NCAA.
Colette Gala.
24-11. Match point para sa Perpetual. Here's the pop-up. They set up Esteban,
Geraldine
who is
Palacio.
rejected. Perpetual takes the win, and they stay undefeated in Group A. It's been that kind of game for Perpetual. Their net game was on point. Their attacks were on point. Even their floor defense was rock solid. Vivi Ariola, ang ating napiling player of the match with 24 excellent sets in just 3 sets, ha?
Oo, grabe.
Diba?
With 7 points.
Wow. Super performance for Perpetual setter Fifi Ariola on their way to another sweep in Season 101. Pakinggan natin ang school hymn ng Perpetual.